Hello, guten Morgen allerseits. I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's newspaper reading, we are going to read this article. I will put the link of this article in the description. You can read in detail. So let's begin. Nadal holds Grand Slams record. Nadal holds the Grand Slam record. Means Nadal has made a new Grand Slam record. He has gained this new Grand Slam record. Rafel Nadal hat nach einem epischen Finalsieg gegen Daniil Medvedev die Australian Open gewonnen und sich damit den Grand Slam Rekord von nun 21 Titel gesichert. We are all aware about Rafael Nadal. He is a very good tennis player, and this time Rafael Nadal has won his 21st title. This is the 21st Grand Slam title, and he is the only person in the world who has won 21 Grand Slam. So this is the record, Grand Slam record. Now 21 title he has ensured. He has secured this 21 title. This is nach einem epischen Finalsieg, after an epic final win against Daniil Medvedev, the Australian Open gewonnen, and he has gewonnen to win, perfect tense, gewinnen, perfect, gewonnen, and he has won this Australian Open, and with this win he has now got 21st title, Grand Slam title, und sich damit den Grand Slam Rekord von nun 21 Titel gesichert. Sichert, perfect gesichert. He has secured, with this win he has secured 21st title, Grand Slam title, and it is a world record. Nadal gewann nach einer Spielzeit von 5 Stunden 24 Minuten in 5 Sätzen mit 2-6, 6-7, 6-4, 6-4, 7-5 gegen den Weltranglisten Zweiten aus Russland. So Nadal has won this title against Russian player. Okay, Nadal has won this title against Russian player. And the important thing is that this Russian player, the world ranking 2, he has the second world ranking. Weltranglisten means world ranking Zweiten. Okay, and this game lasted for 5 hours 24 minutes. This final Grand Slam lasted for 5 hour 24 minutes. 5 Stunden 24 Minuten in 5 sets. These are different sets. So Nadal won. Gewinnen, Präteritum gewann after a game time of 5 hour 24 minutes in 5 sets against the world second ranker from Russian. So his opponent was from Russia, aus Russland. Es war das zweitlängste Endspiel in der Geschichte des Turniers, and this was also the second longest final match in the history of tournament. Tournament. In der Geschichte des Turniers, you can see here genitive case. Okay, des Turniers. In der Geschichte des Turniers. Endspiel, final match. So this is the zweitlängste Endspiel. Das zweitlängste Endspiel means the second longest final match. That the duration is 5 hour 24 minutes. So this was the second longest final match in the history of tournament. 13 Jahre zuvor hatte Nadal seine bisher einzige Trophy bei den Australian Open geholt. 13 years ago, Nadal has picked up his first trophy in the Australian Open. So first trophy in the Australian Open he has won 13 years ago. Bisher, till now. Der 35-jährige Spanier schrieb damit Tennisgeschichte. The 35 years Spanish wrote with that tennis history. Nadal has written history with this win. Der 35-jährige Spanier. Look at the structure. He is 35 years old. So how do we write this? Der 35-jährige Spanier. He comes from Spain kommt aus Spanien. So we write Spanier, the person who live in Spain. Nadal is from Spain. Schrieb, this is preteritum form of schreiben, wrote. With this, tennis history. So he has written with this win, tennis history. Then, because der Erfolg von Melbourne war sein 21. Because the last Melbourne win was the 21st. This was the yesterday that he won this match. It was his 21st one. Gewinn by einem Grand Slam Turnier. Win during a Grand Slam tournament. Gewinn means win. It's a noun. Der Gewinn. So this was his 21st victory in a Grand Slam tournament in Melbourne. Bislang hatte sich Nadal die Bestmarke mit Novak Djokovic, Serbian und Roger Federer aus der Schweiz geteilt. Till now, before this victory, he had 20th Grand Slam matches, trophies. So with that, he was equal to the Novak Djokovic from Serbia and Roger Federer from Switzerland. So he was sharing this title of 20th victory with both these players, but now he is the only one in the world who has won 21 Grand Slam with his last victory in the Australian Open. Bislang, till now, okay, till now. Geteilt, teilen, to share, and the perfect is geteilt. He has shared, okay, 20th trophies with two other players, Novak Djokovic and Roger Federer. Means they both had also 20th trophies, 20th victory. But now Nadal has moved ahead with 21st victory. Es war eines der emotionalsten Matches in meiner Karriere, sagte Nadal. Nadal said it was one of the emotional matches in my career. Look at this. One of the eines der emotionalsten Matches. Okay? One of the emotional matches in my career, said Nadal. Ich gratuliere auch Daniel zu seiner Leistung. I also congratulate to Daniel for his performance. Leistung means performance, means he is congratulating his opponent Daniel from Russia. Gratulieren, okay, it's a dative verb. Gratulieren, to congratulate. Er wird das Turnier in Zukunft mehrfach gewinnen. He will win in future more tournaments, more time. Mehrfach means multiple times, mehrmals, vielmals, many times. So he wish his opponent that he may win lot of matches in future. Gewinnen, to win. This is future tense. Futur eins, wird. Das Turnier, Tournament. Einen besonderen Dank richtete der Sieger an die Zuschauer. Einen besonderen Dank, special thank rendered, gave der Sieger, the winner. So Sieger is here, Nadal. He rendered his special thanks to the Zuschauer, means audience. He gave special thanks to the audience. Ich habe eine unglaubliche Unterstützung erfahren in den vergangenen Wochen. I have experienced an unbelievable support in the last weeks. Vergangenen Wochen, in the past weeks. In the last weeks, I have experienced, erfahren, I have experienced an unbelievable support. Unglaubliche Unterstützung. Unterstützung, support. Erfahren is a verb that means experience, and perfect is also same, erfahren. So das ist alles. So it was all in today's video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and write your feedback in the comment, which is very important for me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. This is the website.